we while we're waiting here, why don't we do the This Week in Auto History? Are you good with that?
Yep.
Okay. And then we're going to get our next guest.
So this week in 1864, Ransom Eli Oldsmobile was born.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, go figure
At
that.
Mecca.
In northeastern Ohio, in a town called Geneva. In 1917, Henry Leland, the founder of Cadillac Motor Cars,
Yeah, baby.
resigned as the company's president.
He had to.
In 1917, and he and William Durant arranged to sell Cadillac to General Motors Corporation. Leland was an engineer that created the electric starter that made Cadillac so successful at its start. You didn't have to get out there and crank it by hand. You just push a button or step on a button on the floor, and it started.
I had that truck that I had. That's what it had.
The floor starter?
Yeah, floor starter, and that
starter.
was all manual because when you pressed on the button, it had a lever down there that mashed the.
And then Leland's next great achievement at Cadillac was to introduce the V8 engine. So, he was quite the engineer. In 1921, Mack adopted the Bulldog as its symbol for its Mack trucks. In 1933, this week, eager motorists parked their automobiles on the grounds of the Park-In Theater, the first ever drive-in movie theater located on Crescent Boulevard in Camden, New Jersey. The nice thing was they created the drive-in. The bad thing was it was in New Jersey. Sorry.
You used to hang out in New Jersey.
No, I was upstate New York.
He's a Jersey boy.
Jersey was
You're
close.
from Jersey? I'm from Jersey,
Hey,
too.
forget about it.
In
I know a
1951,
guy.
Gordon Berrig of South Bend, Indiana, he received a patent for vehicle top construction with removable panels, which finally appeared in 1968 on the Corvette Stingray as T-tops. Berring was one of the 25 candidates of the Car Designer of the Century, an international award given in 1999 to honor the most influential some of the most influential automobile designers of the 20th century.
Cool.
That's This Week in Auto History.
All right.